Hello, truth seekers. Today, we're taking flight on the wings of mythology to explore the epic world of giant mythical birds, with a special focus on the majestic roc. Buckle up, because it's time to rock and roll in the skies. Picture this: a colossal bird, so immense that it can carry elephants in its talons. That's the roc, a legendary creature that soars through the clouds with the majesty of a mythical avian monarch. Forget pigeons. These birds redefine the term feathered giants. But here's the beauty of it: the roc isn't confined to one cultural airspace. From Middle Eastern legends to tales of Sinbad the Sailor, the roc has left its mark on stories around the world. It's like a global tour with the roc as the headlining act. And just when you think you've got the roc figured out, different cultures put their unique spin on this airborne marvel. Some depict it as a guardian of the skies, while others see it as a symbol of both awe and terror. It's like the roc is the ultimate canvas for mythological creativity. Now, fasten your seatbelts, because the roc's journey doesn't end in ancient tales. Oh no! These colossal birds have soared into modern literature, gaming, and even pop culture references. It's like the roc decided to rock and roll through the ages, leaving its majestic feathers wherever it goes. So, my fellow sky chasers, as we navigate the realms of giant mythical birds, let the roc inspire you to spread your wings and reach new heights. Join me in the next video as we continue our quest through worlds. Until then, keep seeking the truth.